Hello guys, you're noticing today we're doing a video. Can you hold that for a second? About an F1. Hope you like it. What? I'm filming, yeah. Oh. Wait, where am I going to put this back? So, we're on an F1. Can you put it up, please? We Nico and sorry for the slow today. We're doing a fish on F1. Hope the camera like good so you can see. This is me right now, so yeah.
And this is me.
This is Thomas. He cycled up here, show it to him. Yeah, they're coming. So let's let the Nerf begin. You haven't seen Nico on that because the Nerf has already begun, and we're ready. So look, they're heading to Johnny's. Okay. I think it's. I'm trying to put the camera. Oops, one down. Oh goodness, one has it. Here, do you want this? Put it in your pocket. Just take it.
Their house, I'm going to drop it.
What?
I'm going to drop it at their house.
When am I doing there for?
Oh, look at them. Boy, I had this sniper.
We even got some cameras here. We've got a camera here.
Are you on FaceTime?
No. It's for YouTube. I'm not here. Ah! Do you see him? So that is what the enemies look like.
They're just there here.
So let's try and get him. Sneak peek. There we are there. So there's Johnny. Looks quite frilly, but he's not. Get him back! Get him back! Where's the gun, Thomas? Where's the gun?
I dropped it.
Get!
But I can't carry it.
Put it in your pocket.
My pockets are full. Come on.
Put it down your back. Oh my God. He's so close up. Where Johnny is. I don't know where he is. We're going to put, so this is going to be where there's going to be a camera here. So this is exactly what I see. Well, if you see.
Hello.
See. Oh, stupid.
You look like Mr. Cameraman with a mask on.
Here, I've got the camera in here.
Which bag does? This is the only place I could pour it.
Okay, that's good enough.
You keep watching forward, I watch backward.
Oh, let me just put the camera. Let me fix my mask. This is the mask I'm using today. I have all the masks. Checking if the video is still recording. Yep, it is. Gonna end it soon because obviously. What? Let me get a hat.
They're right there!
Where?
They're behind us! They're Johnny's back!
Oh, I see them. Okay, just getting the car set up. Let's go. Go fast. Not too fast because If this is good, I'll keep doing this was this video. I'm going to end this video here for part number 1. Part 2 is coming soon. Peace.